Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to make Keerai Charu Sourashtra style. In Sourashtra, we call it Bhajji Char. It's a mild-tasting thin curry prepared with healthy greens. It goes excellent with any vegetable spicy dry curry. I prepared potato peas masala roast, my style, with special blend of masalas, and it's very tasty. You should definitely give these a try. Traditionally, Bhajji Char is prepared with agathi keera, milagu thakkali keera, arai or a combination of these. But I've used spinach in this recipe since it's widely available and it tastes equally good. This is a very healthy, iron-rich and a tasty meal. So let's get on to these recipes. Definitely give these recipes a try and you will love it. Thanks for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the notification bell to get immediate notifications as soon as I post any future videos. Please like and share the video with your family and friends. See you very soon in yet another interesting video.